Hi class, as you can see, I'm not going to be able to be there with you today, but I really want to make sure that you're able to do the assignment that is expected today. So I'm going to walk you through how to set up your notebook and where to find the assignment. Really, the assignment is pretty easy. You've just got to know where to go. So first thing you're going to need is my website and your notebook. On my website, I want you to find the assignment that says 3719 assignment climate zone research. We're going to learn a little bit more in detail about the animals, the vegetation, the precipitation in each of the climate zones that we're going to cover. So the directions are on your document that you have to download, but it's also on this video. So when you download this file, it may take a minute, mine took a little while. Your file will be a few pages long. Because it's on the computer and your answers need to go into your notebook, you are going to need 3 pages in your notebook set up similar to what you see here. You won't have to write each and every single question, but you do have to divide your notebook into the different climate zones. I divided my notebook into 3 separate pages, 2 climate zone per page. I included my title, the World Climate Zone Research, and I included the title, Arctic Climate Zone and Continental Climate Zone on this page. When you flip the page, you'll see that there's a couple more. I put the temperate climate zone on the following page and then the arid climate zone divided with the line all the way down the page. And then on the other side, the tropical climate zones, and you will be able to choose one of, it's a student choice, you'll be able to choose which climate zone you want to answer the questions for. So once your notebook is ready, you will you'll open up this link that's right below the instructions, and it will bring you to this page. When you get to this page, you'll notice that this side opens up. All you have to do is hit the X button to get out of it. This brings you to a map of the world climate zones and a list of all of the different climate zones on the side. On your instruction page, for instance, the first climate zone that you have to do your research for is the Arctic climate zone. But on this page, you'll notice that the term Arctic isn't used. Instead, the website uses the term tundra. So in order to answer the questions in that column, you will have to find tundra on the side here and click on it. Each of the climate zones are separated differently, separated the same with the same and similar information. Where is the humid tundra climate located? If you notice on your climate zone research questions, question number 1 is, where is this climate usually located? So in order to answer the questions, you will have to go in order. The next section is the seasons in the tundra climate and temperatures, and then it talks about precipitation, types of vegetation that's seen in this climate zone, and then each climate zone will end off with a type of animals. So every single question in each column on your assignment will go along with one of those headings. Each column has the same 5 questions. So all you have to do is answer the 5 questions in your notebook. Answers don't have to be incredibly long, but they do have to answer the question. So don't be intimidated by the size of this assignment. It will go pretty quickly. So I have the 5 climate zones on our word wall that you will have to do your research on, but this last column is your choice. You'll notice on your website that I have you go to, there's a lot more than 5 different climate zones. So if there's one that interests you, you can just pick one that we haven't covered. So maybe I want to talk about a highland climate, or maybe I want to talk about a Mediterranean or a marine west coast. So you get to pick one that wasn't one of the 5 that we covered today. I will be back tomorrow, so I want you all to know my expectations. I expect this assignment to be done, and I also have high expectations for your behavior when I get back, so I expect a good report. I'll see you tomorrow.